Morning, everybody. It's 8:36 on this Monday morning, start of a new week, and this is your pre-opening comment video number 1953. Okay, Asia and Europe are both lower on carryover from last week, and really nothing overwhelming. We were down substantially. Well, uh, 200 and change in the Dow. At 7:30, we were down 160. We got to 186. And right now, we're down only about 120. The NASDAQ was down about 70, 66, 62, and now minus about 40. The S&P was down about 20. It's now down about 13. So little improvement. A big piece of that Dow move to the downside is a big deal with Chevron. Chevron buying Hess. Um, $53 billion, but it's an all stock deal. So both of those stocks are actually down on the day. Um, Hess was up as high as 175, currently is trading around 163 and change, and that's basically unchanged. Um, Chevron was down to a low of about 160. Let me just get you an update because it's really moving around a great deal. It was up as high as, well, it was up over 170 just Friday. Um, and today, the low on it is 160 and 42 cents. The last on it is 162.80, and that's down about $4 or 2.42. I don't remember exactly what the ratio is, but it's not much. It's almost share for share. I believe the ratio for each Hess share, you get about 1.06 of Chevron shares. Revolution RVMD. That is a biotech that came out this morning and actually yesterday and said that they had promising results on a phase one trial on tumors. This one traded as high as 35.60 a week ago on Tuesday, uh, but closed down on the day that day, down by about $2 and has continued down. On Friday, it closed 27.97, and this morning has traded as low as 1739. The last is 1905, and that 1905 is down 892, or just under 32%. Another buyout, container ship leasing company, TGH, which is Textainer Group, going private. The stock closed on Friday at 34.15, and that was down 66 cents. Gapped up this morning and is currently trading 48.80, up 14.65 or 43%. That is a 50% all cash deal. And FMC, the big agricultural machinery company, put out a revenue warning this morning, and it too is down. It closed on Friday around 66.95. That was up 36 cents this morning. It's pretty much on the low. The low was 56.75. The last is 56 let's see, 56.90, and that is down $10.05, or a little over 15%, and just seems to be falling a little bit more. Okta, OKTA, another Kramer favorite. This stock is down this morning, was down on Friday. On Friday, it was down 11% on a security breach. This is a customer identification company. So kind of cybersecurity. Um, Last week, it too was much higher, as high as 88.53. Currently trading on the low of the morning at 66.11, and 66.11 is down 646, so another 8.5%. So that's pretty ugly. As far as the futures go, the chart on the screen is the bonds. They were down again this morning, but seem to be bouncing a little. They got down to 107 and 4/30. I'm actually thinking about getting long the TLT right here. A look at the rest of the futures. We have the grains a little bit weak in the corn and the soybeans. Wheat is basically unchanged, up a quarter of a point. We have the oil, which was lower by about a half a dollar, now down 15 cents. Nat gas down about 3 cents. The gold, which rallied a bit last night, is now down $1.20. It also has been lower. Last is 1993. It was down to 1983 and change. Silver is down. Copper is down. The softs, cotton is up 70 cents. Coffee is up $1.50, and sugar is up 21 cents. The dollar is down slightly. Bitcoin, another new recovery high in here. 30,810, last 30,770, and Ethereum also higher. All right, folks, be careful out there, and I'll put that buyout on the TLT when I see an appropriate price. Have a good morning.